Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular lecture, we are going to understand that how we can install the Linux CentOS on VirtualBox. For that, you need to come to your browser and search for CentOS download. You will find the first link. Simply just click on the download and you will land to the download page of CentOS. Select your architecture and click on the ISO and the download process has started. Now you can see the file is very large, 9.6 GB, so it will take some time. Let's wait for it. Okay, so it is downloaded now and this is how the file looks, right? This is the ISO file. Now let's open our VirtualBox. Now this is how it looks, okay? So simply just click on the new button. You can see on the top. Simply just click on the new and now create the name of the virtual machine. So let's name it CentOS. Okay. Now after that, we need to select the virtual machine folder. So what I will do is I will go to the others and select my own folder, which I created. That is this virtual box. Okay. After that, everything is fine. You don't need to change anything. Just simply just click on this finish. And yes, our virtual machine has now successfully created, right? And now let's click on the start button to initiate the process. So here you can see that it is powering the virtual machine. So it will take just few seconds. Okay. Now here, now you need to put the ISO file here, right? So simply just go and select the location of that file, particular file that you have downloaded, right? So I'll go to my download folder and select our CentOS ISO file that we have downloaded. That's it. And then mount and retry boot. Fine. After that, just enter the test this media and install CentOS Stream 10. Right. Fine. Now the process will start and this will take some time. Okay. This will take some time. As you can see, it is checking. Okay. Checking is now completed. Fine. Now let's wait for a few more seconds. Right. And now it is asking for the language. So let's select the English language here. And let's do one thing. Let's first close this right tab. Let's click on this cut button. Okay. Now simply just click on the continue. After that, you will land to this installation summary. Here, whatever the things you are seeing in the red, you need to correct it. So first of all, installation destination, everything is fine. Just click on the done button. After that, come to the root account. Here, click on the enable account and then give the root password and the confirm password. I'll give the same root here. Okay. Again, the root and allow root SSH login with password. Just click on it and click on done. Okay, so it is done now. Now simply just click on the begin installation and this will take literally some time. So let me do one thing. First of all, I'll wait for it. Okay, so it is done now. Now simply just click on this reboot system. Fine. So it is done now. Now just simply wait for it. Okay, so here our CentOS is now loading, and this is the desktop of our CentOS operating system, right? As you can see. So we cannot see anything. This is just a wallpaper, but don't worry. Very soon we will see a setup. Okay, now start the setup. I'll disable the location services. I don't need that. Next. Now let's give the name. So I'll give mine. That is Piyush. Fine. Now simply just click on this next button. Now you need to create the password. I'll create the same root. Fine. Now let's click on this next and all done. Now you can use the CentOS stream. Okay. And just skip it. Actually, when you come to your virtual machine, the cursor get changed, right? Fine. And this is all your tab and all your apps which is available. You can see this is how it looks, and this is our terminal where we will spend most of our time, right? So our terminal look like this, as you can see. Let's try something. Yes, it is working very fine. Okay, great. So this is how we install the Linux CentOS on our VirtualBox. I hope you understood the lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.